What is going on, you guys? Happy Friday, happy end to the week, right? This was the final trading day for the week, and yeah, I hope you guys are all able to kill it today. So let's just get right into the recap here. And as you guys can tell just from looking at the NASDAQ, today was definitely not the same case as yesterday or the day before. The NASDAQ had been rallying a lot previously, right? Let me show you guys, especially the past 2 days in specific, right? It had pretty monstrous days for TQQQ, right? Nice rallies, and today was not the case like I just said at all. Today, this was right around when the market opened up here at 6:30 in the morning, and the whole day today, the market was trading between the middle VWAP and the bottom VWAP. And anytime it trades between these two lines, that's an indicator that it is trying to downtrend, right? All day it was making these lower highs right here, right? Every time it would pull back down, the highs would be lower every single time, right? And it was making these lower lows pretty much the whole day. So this was like the little channel trading between, and there was no large rally up. So today I was definitely being a little more mindful of the fact that although we are overbought, the market has continuously proven to keep rallying, and I didn't want to be naive to think that there's no chance that it could rally again, right? Just because it was overbought. So today I feel like a lot of people also realized that in the market. That's why we traded kind of sideways. There wasn't any huge move up, and there was a few moves for SQs you could have really capitalized on, right? But overall, your best bet to trade a day like today would have been to kind of get into SQs right around these general areas and sell around these areas, and then you could have ridden it back up for TQs. So today I did a poor job of identifying this overall pattern, and that's why I finished off red on the day, but it was definitely a controlled red day. I was down $55 on TQs, and I was down $7 on SQs. So down just over $60, not the end of the world, just lost over 0.5%, but I am coming off of two more red days, right? The previous two red days before today, and I apologize once again if I hadn't said it before for not uploading, but I've just been very busy, and I actually did film a video on Wednesday and had it planned to upload, but it just didn't process or something like that. I'm not sure the exact reason, but I can always upload it if that's what you guys want. But yeah, I was coming off of two more red days, and I finished off obviously today on a third red day. So definitely not doing the best with identifying direction, but my brother and I, we've really been trying to take less trades, and I really still find that it's been doing me better, because even though I am red like I have been before, at least it's with a lot less trades, right? And it's just a lot less mentally exhausting having to deal with a lot less filled orders, right? I basically just aim to wait and be patient for a nice setup I like, and then I take the trade, let's say for SQs, and I'll average in at a good area, and I'll kind of just walk away with a happy kind of risk to reward. So like let's say I fully sent it here for a play for SQs on the day. I would have been fully averaged up where it makes sense, and I would have looked to sell if this thing wanted to keep selling off on the day. Versus if it were to pop up, I would cut it, let's say, right around this general area, right? The risk to reward needs to be there. And I was just really looking for an SU's play, a big drop too, because on top of that, like I just showed you, the market has been very overbought. It actually just made new highs on the year chart, right? Which is a pretty big deal, and that's why in my eyes, just giving you guys a bigger picture, we could be due for a potential resistance and a pullback. So that's just my 2 cents on that, but obviously nothing has to happen, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And yeah, just want to remind you guys again that this is just being very real, right? This channel with our trading journey, and it's been taking us a while to really try and find some good consistency, but we hope you guys appreciate the transparency and everything, because yeah, it can be very easy to just want to only upload on green days or stuff like that, but we show up every day, and yeah, we're just documenting pretty much our whole progress and our journey, and yeah, we hope a lot of you guys can just watch these videos and relate somewhat, because yeah, a lot of people, I feel like on YouTube, especially me and my brother, when we were watching them, a lot of people seem to only be killing it, right? And that's definitely not the right picture at all for most traders. Most traders are actually losing money, right? I think it's over like 90% of day traders lose money. So yeah, I just want to always remind you guys that this channel is more real, and yeah, I hope you guys appreciate it because it's not the most fun having to keep filming, especially right when we're in a slump or something like that. And yeah, we hope any of you guys out there can relate and see that not everyone is just killing it, right? We're all just trying to figure it out too, a lot of us. So yeah, I'll leave off on that note. Thank you guys so much once again for tuning back in. It really does mean a lot. And I will see you guys all next week. You guys will actually be seeing my brother. He's trading, but yeah, either way, we're both excited, and we'll see you all next week. Take care.